Are you sure? Like, without the shoes of tenacity, you can kill this boss?
Yeah, just need a good position.
Oh, okay.
Maybe a little here, go back later. Sharon, stop here. Agi, just stop. Because I'm not sure if you're too far, no, must be silent.
Actually, use the poison when he's shrinking, you know? At this time, use poison. More damage that way. Okay, what do we do? Do you want me to scout around?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, let me scout.
You want me to hit him? I can hit him.
Oh, let me scout around instead. That'll be better.
Ah, yan na. Item. Yung item dun.
Yeah, it's fucking scout for sure.
Sure, I'll hit him.
Aggie, try to invite him or pass me the lead so I can see. No one around here. Yeah, stacks are full. No else, I only see him.
I'm silent.
If you move, you die.
Yeah, if
you have to
you get silenced, that's why.
stack on Aggie, Basang, stack on Aggie, everyone stack on exactly the position.
I have 20 seconds. Just heal yourself, Basang. Oh, you're fine.
Okay, I think we will have to reset.
No, I think we're good.
Okay, that's nice, we almost close. Stack on Aggie, everyone. We are scattered still. Use the right click for the position.
Hey, just stay put, don't move. Oh, it's Basang.
Oh, never mind.
Basang got silence again.
Come on, use poison, everything.
It's gonna reach now.
Heal on Aggie, and 10 B2. It's Basang, heal yourself.
We need the class for the tank here.
Do you have guardian boots?
No, I think we can kill this.
Yeah, we should be able to. Poison, 33 seconds for mine. Dip throwing poison if you have.
Gonna reach now, ready or nice.
Silence, silence.
Yeah, he's dead. 16k SP, nice.
You're dead, bro. You're dead, bro.
Okay, wait for your stack on the gathering up before gathering.